Welcome to InsideTips channel. Today I will give you a free stinger transition for your streaming, and after we render the project I will show you how to import the MOV file into the Streamlabs OBS. Sounds great? Awesome. Let's jump into this folder, and we have this Adobe After Effects project. Let's open this transition template. And go with this small screen because I like the most. And now we have these two colors and the logo. We'll zoom in right now. After that, the yellow goes to the left, and we have this red color, and again a little bit zoom in from the logo, and after that all is gone. So nice. Now let me show you how to edit this logo from here. Go to your logo here, and now let's delete this. And let's say I want to put this picture with this robot, and now click on this corner and make this a little bit smaller, so we have this little thing who is now bigger, and I think this will work for me. So nice. Okay, so if you have maybe, let's say, let's go to my render, and let's say you have this too big, and when you go on the final render you will have something like this. So make sure you will keep this in place, and maybe it's not okay to leave the entire frame, because you will see at the end this PNG file, it's too big, and I don't know, I want to keep this a little bit smaller, something like this, or I don't know, maybe a little bit bigger. Yeah, like this, it's okay. So let's say this is your logo, and now you want to change the colors, but I think these colors are so nice. But if you want to change the colors with your colors brand, let's say this will be some pink, purple, let's say this color, and the yellow color. So you need to go on the color, effects and fill, and you have this color. Click on here and move around. Choose your colors and you are ready to go. So let's say I want to be this green color, and the last color, who is now blue, I want to make maybe yellow, because I like that yellow. So we have now this it's too much from that green. Let's try to have something. Let's say I want to try with this red. Yeah, it's much better. So let's say your branding colors are this, and you will have your project done. Maybe you want to have a silent transition, and make sure you will delete this sound from here. but I like how it sounds, and I will keep that sound in place. So now what you want to do is to go on composition, add render queue, and go on lossless. Make sure you will have here QuickTime, and from channels choose RGB plus alpha because we need this transparent background. So hit OK, and now here keep the best settings, and let's name our project, let's say I want to name my project Inside Game Transition. So now let's render. This is done, and we have this MOV file. So let's jump in Streamlabs OBS now, and let me show you how to import your transition. So we have this stream starting. If you want to have this stream starting too, I will put now cards and some links in the description with this stream starting and this end streaming. Be right back. You will have all in the description and in the cards. So this is card for start streaming, and we have this nice social banners. I have this project on YouTube for download. It's free to download, so check my description. You will see a lot of things. And now we have this be right back, and yeah, I just like how it looks. I think it's so perfect, and we have this end streaming again with these social banners. So you have all you need in the description. Make sure you will see that videos too. And now we have nothing in here, so no transitions. We have the transition from the Streamlabs. So you need to go on this well, edit scene transitions, and add a new transition from here. Go and click to this add transition button. Now let's say I want to name my transition to be Stinger, and you need to go on type with Stinger. Duration, it's okay, and let's browse my MOV file. So this is my project, and now we need to make sure we will keep this 300, because let me show you how it looks with 0. So here, if you want to have audio from your transitions, make sure you will have monitor and output. And now we have crossfade here. So let's hit done, and I will show you why we need to put here 300. So let's select this Stinger transition. Let's hit done. And now when we go on be right back, we will have our Stinger transition. But maybe you will notice in the middle, when I hit be right back, you will see that be right back screen, but we want to see that be right back after we see the Stinger. So okay, so was that be right back? Again, end streaming was end streaming. So we need to go again on settings and put here 300. Done, and let's play again. So there you have it. Now it's done, and all work fine, fast and clean, and you have all you need inside of this project. Yeah, make sure you will go to links in the description, because you will have all of these projects, stream starting and streaming, be right back. You have all you need in the description below. This was the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel for more stuffs like this, and leave some comments below. I want to know what you think about this stinger transition. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.